Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox and review the G40 10 meters Avoalre LED outdoor garden string lights. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the string lights, 3 extra G40 replacement bulbs and the instruction guide. Now let's have a look at the string lights. They're 9.7 meters long. They're made up of 30 G40 LEDs. Each bulb has a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Replacing the bulbs is easy. All you need to do is unscrew the faulty bulb and screw in the replacement bulb. The bulbs use 80% less energy than the traditional incandescent ones, and they have an energy rating of A++. At one end of the string you have the plug, and at the other end you have an extension connector that allows you to connect up to 17 sets, end to end. Now let's power it on. As you can see, the bulbs feature a nice warm white light. A highlight of this string is that the bulbs will still continue to operate even if one or multiple bulbs stop working. As you can see, I've unscrewed one bulb and the remaining bulbs are still working. The string can be used indoors. It can also be used outdoors as it's IP65 rated, which means that it's protected against water jets from any angle. Overall, this is a lovely string of bulbs. It's really easy to operate and it can make a significant difference to your house or your garden. The light bulbs produce a nice warm white glow, adding a nice atmosphere to the surroundings. They are ideal as Christmas lights, party lights, or wedding lights. The bulbs have a good lifespan and they are energy efficient, so you won't pay a lot of money to run them. They can be easily extended, enabling them to be used in large events. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.